Hi guys, on today's class we'll be learning a very critical topic as regards gasoline generators. Oh yeah, he's trying to pull it and the rope just went off. Instead of fixing it himself, he has brought it over to us to try rectify. But this of course is not a big deal because ordinarily it won't take the person more than 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to fix it. So in today's class, we'll be teaching you all how to lose the starter, how to fix it, and how to rectify anything as a gas starter when need be. Alright, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. Like and share. Also turn on notifications so you are notified anytime a new video is uploaded. Please, you can also give us feedback via the comment section. Alright, shall we? Trying to fix the starter now. Let me lose it first. Okay. The starter is held by 3 different bolts, short bolts. Okay, this is it. This is the starter, and this of course see, successfully inserted it into that small, very small hole. This is the hole. I've inserted it in. And what do I do next? I will have to tie this end so when I pull it doesn't go out from this point. So this is me tying it. This is how I tie the rope. I do it this way. Not some people do tie theirs like this, but I don't, just like this. Then I don't advise. This is how it's advisable to tie. Take it this way. Then you take it this way. Reason I'm doing this, come in. All right, you see, reason I'm doing this is for this to be firm. Over time, when you start drawing this and when you start continuously, this rope becomes thinner, and when it becomes thinner, if this place is not bulky enough, it is not used enough, it goes through this hole and you start the process all over again. So it's advisable to just do your rope this huge, so that no matter how difficult you draw it, no matter how thin it later becomes as a result of stress on it, it still won't go from this hole. All right, this is it. Now we have successfully taken it past this small hole. What do we do next? We equally take it past this other hole. This hole is an outlet. Carefully insert it just like I did for the other one. Carefully insert, and you see the rope is out already. You see the rope is out. Then what do? You take the rope through the starter handle down to the top, and here you tie again. In the same way you did this, that's how you are going to do this. You do it carefully, not this way like I explained earlier. No, you tie it this way so the rope goes in. Originally, for some starters, there is usually a point, a small point here where you have to connect or you have to fix the rope, where you turn in an anti-clockwise direction. You see, this is going in a clockwise direction, right? This is going this way, right? But when you want to fix this rope now, you go in an anti-clockwise direction. Let me show you. Yeah, clockwise is this way, anti-clockwise is this way, right? Good. So see what we do. Originally, there's a point where I'm supposed to hook this and then turn. But since there's none, I can also do it. Instead of putting it this way and let it go, I will just hold here, firm, then turn. I'm going in an anti-clockwise direction, an anti-clockwise direction, and then I pull. See what I've done? I successfully pull this starter. But if you notice carefully, this is not going in. Why is it not going in? Because I didn't pull it, I didn't turn it very well. Let me go back so you notice something specific here. Okay. Probably I should have stretched it further to the anti-clockwise direction, but I just stopped at one point. So let me stretch it further so you get the jerk. Stretching it further now. Still the anti-clockwise. Or do you notice it goes in firmly? So what have we done? We have successfully fixed the starter rope to the starter itself. All right, let's install. One thing I will advise you do as a non-professional, try to fix the bolts directly to the point you lose them from. It will do you a whole lot of good. And while you are trying to fix the bolts, make sure you don't lose track of where you've placed the bolts. In other words, try to put the bolts in a container if you can. If you can't get a container at that particular point in time, put them in a particular place where you will notice them when you start coupling. It will do you a whole lot of good. All right. We install the bottom bolt and we've installed this alternate bolt. All right, we successfully fixed the starter. Can we start the gen to see if it's not working? Oh, so sorry, the plug head was not fixed. That is it. Alright, that is it. We've successfully fixed and replaced a bad starter rope. Alright, if you still want to enjoy a lot of this good content we post regularly on this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, share, give us feedback via our comment section, as that is enough to even push us to do more for this channel and to upload more videos. It's goodbye from my end. We'll meet in our next class.